IBIT stock next week in this 1 minute video covering technical analysis and price predictions on iShares Bitcoin Trusts ETF or just stock. It's sitting at $41.30. It's 4.5% off for the day. Just to give you more context, I'm using my strategy and system that has previously given me thousands of wins. So with IBIT stock, it's a very good increase in price and a very steady growth from what I've seen. Because when I first started making videos on it, you see, only had like a limited resources. I mean, even in the last video that I made, even with the data that I was presented at the moment, I said what? That more likely than not, the price is still going to continue and deliver lower. And like, you tell me what happened here, right? You just continue to deliver lower. Now, if you don't believe me, I'm going to pull out the video right now. This was made on 11th of January. So that's the video 1 month ago. Yeah, you can see how it looked like even on a 5 minute, right? That's exactly the same prediction, right? Exactly the same, but that's like, where is it now going next? We're seeing a very good increase in price. Still going to mark out the highs and have them as a, because also Bitcoin is going higher, so that makes a lot of sense. If the price pulls back into some of these demand areas, this is still a great opportunity to also take it higher, but only if the rules are met. So that's the case right here. Obviously, not financial advice. Check out the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.